Hey guys, welcome back. In today's simple video, let's go ahead and create something like Jerry just simply holding a box. And the idea here is if I select this cog controller, right, the center of gravity controller, and press W, I can now animate Jerry and I can have him hold a box, or maybe he's holding something else. What would be the process of creating this? So let's do this together. I'm going to give you a link for this free rig so you can follow along. Just a fun little simple animation exercise, right? So to do this, let's start over. I'm going to say File, I'm going to say Recent, and I'm just going to import or open that Jerry file. Okay, I'm not going to save this. And when it first opens up, if you download the same character, you will have the same, most likely the same security warnings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say remove a bunch of times. I'm not sure why this rig comes with that warning, but this is from Artem Dubina, right? I'm going to close this. And another thing that I noticed in the outliner, you have a bunch of extra stuff show up with this rig. To get rid of that, just simply right click and go to show DAG, and that hides all of that stuff. All right, cool. Now we can get on with the exercise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply grab a box and drag a box right in the center. And all I want to do is I want to take this box and I'm going to move it obviously a little bit closer to my character. So right here is fine. Let's go ahead and grab both arms. I'm going to select this controller here, hold on the shift key, select this one. I'm going to press E. I'm going to make sure that I am set to object. And I'm just going to move these arms closer and just rotate them down, right? And let's go ahead and position them in some kind of a way that makes sense. So maybe he's kind of holding the box a little bit, you know, down here somewhere, right? And I'm just going to close this in. All right, very cool. So now he's holding the box. And if you needed to adjust anything a little bit, maybe I can do that on both sides. All right, so once you have this set up, the next thing you want to do is just simply select the controller, hold down the shift key, select the box, and then go to Constraint, Parent, go to Options. In here, let me reset this, and I'm just going to say Apply and Close. Okay, so now if I select this main controller right here, press W, and attempt to move my character, you can see that the box will nicely follow, right? And all we did is we just simply parented to one of the controllers, but because they are together, it totally makes sense. So now we can have a animation of him, you know, maybe running with the box or something like that. And that could be super cute. And that is pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. Something simple and basic. Now, if you wanted to create a more advanced controller where the box is actually driving the character's hands, right? So maybe he is picking the box up and it's super heavy. For that, what you want to do is you want to switch this to inverse kinematics, and then you want to set up a little controller's rig for that. But that's actually a little more advanced. And if anyone is interested, maybe we can do that in our next video. In this one, I just wanted to show you guys how to do something even as simple as this. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in our next video.